Hello guys, this is Eric from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel, right? So today in this 2022 Forex trading plan, we want to have a good planning. Okay, just joking, right? Thank you guys. Hi CK 你好，Fab 你好，还有这个Bradley, yes, I'm okay. Thank you so much. 昨天太不好意思哦，失礼了。Okay, yesterday, going through the live and I lost my vocal. I'm very sorry. I apologize for the, Okay, so the disruption. Yes, okay. Hi, Manwai, 你好. All right. Okay, so yes, Malaysia side first. Okay, yes, that's good. Okay, 大家好，大家好，你们好，谢谢你们。Thank you very much for your understanding for last night. 昨天晚上先啊 Okay. Hi, yes, okay, on. Yeah. Hi, Schubert, Flora, Mika, Riano. All right, Roger. Okay. Yeah, thank you so much for it. Okay, so let's quickly, okay, shorten the the time to talk 啊。Yesterday 昨天说到在直播里面说到失声，没有声音去哦，对不起啊。Okay, so today I'm going to quickly run through. Are we going to focus today? All right, so that we will be able to grab some profit. I hope you grabbed some profit yesterday. Okay, because I grabbed my dollar CAD and also pound CAD as well. Okay, so yep. Okay, Aussie CAD. Let's take a look at Aussie CAD today. All right, Aussie CAD today. Okay, what we are looking at is that same thing. Past few days we were talking that it's actually retesting the support. Am I right? So it hits on the support and now it's retracing upwards again. Okay. All right. So now let's take a look over here. And now it's retracing upwards for a bull running. Okay. So the retracement is still up there. All right. So over here, as you can see, now it's actually trying to that in the bull is riding on the higher low, a higher low, a higher low, higher support, higher support, higher support. It's a sign of buying. Okay, so it is still running very strong. So buying is still okay for buyers. OK， 好，那么呢，澳加的话呢 ，OK， 这个澳加的话呢，哈，哎，没有 MT4 哈 ，OK， 好，不好意思啊，看一下，哎，有啊，Malaysia don't have，OK OK， 不然等一下啊，马来西亚那一边请稍等 ，OK，All right，OK，Right。那么 OK， 那我们在这边说澳加哈，澳加在这里呢，整体我们前几天就说到说它的那个支撑已经回踩到了嘛，所以当它一回踩到了这个支撑了以后呢，现在开始呢已经在回调上去，对不对？回调上去的时候呢，在这一段里面又开始遇到了一些压力位嘛。OK， 这里有一个压力，对不对？就是之前的支撑被突破以后呢，变成一股压力。为什么是一股压力呢？是因为呢，它在这里呢变成的是一个大量的卖出，因为之前在做多的人现在大量卖出哈，所以呢还不知道说它的去向在哪里。不过做多的可能性较大。现在哈 ，OK， 澳加不可以做空了哈 ，OK。All right, so yeah, thank you, Hubert. Yes, yesterday, yeah, the vocal went hoarse. Okay, so yep, so I'm so sorry about it. And so today I'm going to take it a bit slower, right? Okay, yeah, okay. So over here, Aussie franc. Oh yes, SXHG. All right. Can you see my MT4 now? All right. All right. So let me know if you can see the MT4, huh? All right. Okay, so Aussie franc over here, Aussie franc. I'll be conducting in 2 languages. Okay, same thing, huh? Okay. All right. Okay, so Aussie franc over here. All right, let's take a look. Where's the trend? It's still in the bull. Okay, consolidate here, ranging around here. So it's on the support. Yesterday, like we say, all right, it is on the support, and according to the previous running point is a bull. So it's yesterday. For the past few days, it has been running up on the buy. Okay, all right, that's good. Okay, so this will continue for a buy. So Aussie franc we're still going for a buy. Okay, not for a sell. All right. Okay, that's good. All right， 好，现在这个澳瑞啊，现在这样一看的话，澳瑞呢现在呢在牛市里的碰到支撑嘛，虽然这一段看起来好像是一个这个什么啊？怎么说这个叫做这个盘整的现象，对不对 ？OK， 他们其实在累积着一个位置啊。那么当他这样看的话，我们这一般这样看的话是一个盘整。那么这一个盘整呢，是往上还是往下？那么我要怎么做交易？那么如果这种要做交易的话呢，我倒认为说在这边的起点是一个牛市，所以呢做多的可能性较大。所以前几天已经在做多了嘛，所以现在开始就一直在做多，好不好 ？OK， 好，现在今天这样看的话呢，要做多的话呢，差不多了哈 ，OK， 差不多了，因为我这里这样看，从起点的开始，它有了更高的低点，更高的低点，更高的低点，每一个更高的低点都是一个支撑，所以如果是往上升的话呢，就是要在支撑位置进场嘛，对不对？所以有机会做多哈 ，OK。All right, thank you. SXHG. Okay, now you can get it, huh? Man Y can get it. Okay, that's good. So where are you from? SXHG. Yeah, say a hi and your city so that I know. Okay, so that I know where you're from. All right. So now let's move on to Aussie yen. Aussie yen is still on the bull, as you can see. Sorry, Aussie yen is actually in the bear market, running the retracement, hitting back to the bear. Okay, but today it's hitting on the support and actually has a retracement right now. Okay, so right now, if I want to sell, if I want to sell this, Aussie yen. Okay, we are pretty near. We are actually very near to the selling of Aussie yen over here. Okay, so let's look at this Aussie yen. This Aussie yen is actually on the retracement side. So this retracement is actually hitting on the resistance, and it will start to retrace. Okay, so you have two ways. If you are a risk taker to sell a retracement trade, and actually you can do this. You can do this trading when you see aqua above the white line and hit on the resistance without breaking. You can scalp on it, but don't expect to go for 100 pips first, okay? Because you never know when it will actually break the resistance for a higher resistance, okay? This is kind of high risk. So the next thing is that the good thing is that okay, it will start to retrace downward, and I will wait for it to break the support here, okay, the support here. I'm waiting for it to break the support here, then it will go back to the bear trend, and from there I will focus on AJ and start to sell all the way. Okay, all right. So yeah, so tentatively I will not take this into my list because to me it's still high risk. Okay, so I will just leave it alone first. Okay, Hi Hanson，你好，好久不见了哈。OK，so 澳日的话呢，今天是一个回调啊，在熊市里回调了。可是这个回调的这个阶段呢，已经开始要结束。等它进入这个转换 ，OK，然后呢，回到突破的这个支撑以后，回到这个熊市的时候，才开始做单子，那就会更好啊。OK，好不好？All right, so let's move again to Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi, all right? Aussie Kiwi. Yes, Aussie Kiwi tentatively looking at this. Okay, looking at this, this is something that what we are looking at is that it's still on the bull run. It's still running on the bull. I mean, since yesterday, past few days, I've been talking about that it's running on the bull, and there's some retracement in the bull. Okay, come down, hit on the support, going up again, and waiting for it as it consolidate. You can see the consolidation is to break the resistance. Well, today very successfully it breaks the resistance and going for a buy. So buying, is it good to buy right now for Aussie Kiwi? I would say no. If you are going for a buy right now, actually you are chasing the trade. In this instant, okay, chasing a trade for buying, okay, for this Aussie Kiwi, I wouldn't say that it is totally wrong, but as for some beginners, I would advise not to. Okay, all right. Okay, so this is not really a good buy, and also is it a good selling? Then you have to wait. Okay, I would not say it is a good selling after all because it's still in the bull market. All right. 好了，那么现在澳纽的话呢，澳纽有没有机会？其实澳纽是一个牛市，前几天就一直在这边盘整着，然后呢，终于累积了突破它的那个压力位置，现在在往上升，做多不可以，因为也是很靠近压力位了。不要去追它了哈 ，OK， 所以在这个位置的时候，已经开始会有上上下下、上上下下了，所以会有很多的这个震动啊，所以呢，现在最好就是不要哈 ，OK， 好不好 ？All right, so next let's move on again, okay, to Aussie dollar. All right, Aussie dollar. Okay, okay. So this Aussie dollar, okay, what we are going to do is that, okay, we will be having this bull running through this session. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, in this running through is a buying, still on the stand of very strong of higher low, higher support, higher low equal higher support. Okay, so it still continue the running. So tentatively, if you are looking for a sell, no, I won't say it is good. Okay, a sell will be an anti-trend. So Aussie dollar is still good for buying. All right, let's wait for a. It's also coming Aussie dollar. Okay, the support is also now. Okay, take note of this, and once it breaks once it breaks the resistance, I think it's still quite a distant away, about 20 pips. Have a short profit for a buy. Then after that, once it breaks the resistance with a new support above the resistance, yeah, you can go for a buy now. Okay, safely. Okay, alright， 澳美还是只能做多，不能做空。OK， 那么现在在这里要做多的话呢，有20个点的空间，可以小盈利可以拿。那么如果突破了这个压力位置以后哈，那么它在这一段里面开始呢回调下来，形成新的支撑，在这个压力变支撑的线上的话呢，往上升的机会就非常大了，好不好 ？OK， 好的，那么 let's move on. Alright, so Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie, is it good to sell today because Aussie looks all very strong? Okay, I would say that Euro Aussie, okay, is although a cross pair, it is still in running for a bull, meaning a retracement downwards, and now still forming a support, a higher support, a higher support, a higher support. Okay, so now we are on the support. We are on the support, so I'm not sure whether do we have a chance to trade on this retracement. Okay, yes, probably. Okay, we may have a chance, but the thing is that the support level is actually very near. Okay, so I would say that you have only about 10 over pips. Okay, I would say that for Euro Aussie, if you want to sell for because there is Aussie is running quite strong today. Wait for Euro Aussie. Wait for it to break the support. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Let's wait for it to break the support first. Okay, let me see. Huh? Okay. Yeah, but do we have enough space to the next support level? Yes, we do. Okay, so Euro Aussie. Okay, Euro Aussie. We can take note about Euro Aussie, okay, whereby Euro Aussie we can sell, okay, only when only when uh only when this Euro Aussie break the support level over here. Okay, break the support level over here. Okay, so this is what I meant. Okay, so in case, because just in case that this actually hits on the support and forming a new support and go back to the bull. So this is a retracement trading, so please be very, very careful. Okay, all right. So yep, so yes, that's 欧澳的话呢，现在要做空的可能呢是有的，但是呢，你一定要切记住，它一定要突破这个支撑，在支撑底下新的压力出现的力度啊，这些啊才可以做空啊，不然的话呢，其实要做空其实是有一点点的难度。OK， 这个是要记得的哈。OK，so yep. So that's for Euro Aussie. Let's move again to EURCAD. EURCAD happily taking the profit. Yes, true enough, we are still in the bear. Okay, but in the bear, okay, looking at this bear market now. Okay, we are also very near to the next support level. Okay, we are pushing. We are still pushing to the next support level. Okay, so over here, the support level is right on the left side. Okay, around this area. So please be very, very careful if we are going for the support. Okay, if we are going to check and we're going to sell, okay, this is the support level that we are looking at. Okay, so it's kind of we still have some space. Okay, we still have some space over here. Okay, so let's see where's the support level. Giving that we still have about, wow, what a good space, huh? Okay, we still have a very good space, 100 over pips. Okay. EURCAD, okay, today, okay, we can still focus to sell, okay, EURCAD, okay, we can still focus to sell. We still have a lot, we still have plenty of space, and just wait for it to break the support level. One support here, there's a one support over here. So break this support first, okay, break this support, okay. So you can see the white line is actually touching the support. So once it crosses the white line, and we are ready to sell. Okay, it will continue the selling for the next few days. Okay, EURCAD， 欧加呢现在能做空哈 ，OK 不是现在了哈，我的意思是说，这个欧加是在熊市里面可以就是专注做空 ，OK， 那么呢在这个的话呢，在这里的话呢，我们呢这样看的话，它的那个做空的可能性还很大，但是呢，今天现在很靠近那个支撑， 所以要把这个做好的话呢，先突破这里的支撑位置 ，OK， 这里啊，现在还有10个点，等它突破了这个支撑位置以后，割下白线了哈，然后才来找新的压力位。进场的话，我们还有120多个点的空间，所以是非常好的 ，OK， 好吧 ？All right, so next thing to go, all right, next thing to go is the Euro Pound, okay. All right, so Euro Pound over here, okay, so over here is running on the same spot. So I'm going to give you a miss immediately. I'm not going to do anything because anyway the space for up and down is still very tight. Okay, give you a miss today. 好了，欧镑我还是直接跳过哈，因为空间真的太小了，上面和下面都太少，不足够让我们拿到盈利哈。Okay, all right, so Euro Kiwi we are still hovering around. Okay, the bull run up, forming a resistance, and meet the resistance. So tentatively, it's still struggling over this area. So if you hit the resistance, do you want to sell, or it may break because it's a bull? So it's very confusing, am I right? Okay, so in such a situation, usually, okay, I will not trade. Usually, I will just leave it alone. I have plenty of currencies to trade, so I'm going to leave this alone. Okay, so skip this. All right. 好了，欧纽的话呢，欧纽现在哈，我们这样看，欧纽呢从牛市上来制造一个新的压力，回踩压力，尝试突破，但是它的这个压力位置的话呢，目前现在就在这里，在这一段里面呢，它呢要上也不是，因为是在牛市遇到压力，要往下跌又是一个逆势交易，所以不要做算了哈。OK。All right, so euro dollar. Let's take a look at euro dollar. Euro dollar, okay, is one thing about euro dollar. We are looking for a bull. So this part here is tentatively running on the ranging for so many days, and finally it comes back, but it's still in the part. This is the area of transition going to become a bull. So transition, that means to say it can be bear, it can be bull. So where are we going? Correct? So since the starting point is a bull, we are hitting on the support now. So right now, I will still suggest for a buy. Okay, a buying is still very highly possible. Okay, so no for selling at all. Okay，欧美的话呢，在这里啊、从这牛市这个支撑一开始的时候，就开始往这牛市要做转换了，从熊转换为牛上去。所以呢，在这里盘整了一段子，还是在转换的过程，在转换的那个过程里面，好不好？在转换的那个过程里面呢，有上有下，很挣扎，所以呢，我劝大家还是不要做 ，OK， 好不好？但是如果现在在这个支撑位置的话呢，在支撑位置的话呢，是可以做多了哈，做多的机会是比较大，没得做空 ，OK。All right, so now move on again to Pound Aussie. Okay, Pound Aussie looks good on this Pound Aussie is because Pound Aussie is now running into the transition to become a bear. Okay, looks good, huh? Okay, looks good. Yes, Pound Aussie looks good to go into a bear market. I guess it's because of cross pair of the Aussie. So right now it's still in the transition. Okay, so let me check. Okay, the support is here. Okay, let's check. H4, let's take a look. Yep, exactly. It has been tested 8 hours ago. So one test here, and it's not breaking. So we are still in the transition. The transition, okay, to become from the bull to the bear. So I will only trade after it breaks 187,925. Okay, so I wanted to wait for it to break. So can we trade at this part here to reach this 59 to 60 pips? Yes, you still can, okay, unless it gives you a very good resistance in H1, whereby the resistance also give you enough space like now, enough space with strength, okay, to give you a signal to sell pound Aussie. Okay, to sell pound Aussie, but it's in the transition. So you must know you are trading in a transition. So I will do a scalping, make a short one, okay, and grab my profit and go. Okay, so pound Aussie is in the transition trading. So we can do this. We can still trade on this. Okay, But again, is that please be very careful with this transition trading over in pound Aussie. OK， 好了，棒澳可以做空，但是呢，今天呢，它是在这个转换的过程，从牛转为熊，可是还是在转换的过程啊。我要等它先突破这个支撑位置哈，1.879225，那么呢才开始做单子做空。但是今天如果有新的压力位置想这样的话呢，可以做空吗？可以。这样这一看的话，它回调上去的时候，这个力度现在如果红蜡烛开在这个水蓝线和紫线下方的话呢，在这里有一个进场点哈，那么呢，我可以用短暂的盈利的方式去拿我的盈利 ，OK， 好不好 ？All right, so okay, so POWCAD over here, okay, POWCAD over here is we are talking about now. POWCAD is heading for heading for a retesting. We are in the bull actually. It hits go up. We are retesting the support area down here. Okay, it's just like AussieCAD. Remember AussieCAD? Okay, let me show you AussieCAD. AussieCAD, it hits a bull. Now went up, it hits on the resistance, retesting. Okay, so now POWCAD. Let's look at POWCAD. POWCAD is also something like this. Okay, so it went down now to retest. So we have a lot of good space, but in between there are some minor support that we need to take note. Okay, all right. So in the bear market, to retest the support. So where are we supposed to trade? Okay, today we are going to break the support. Okay, this support is the same support that we are looking at. Let me see. This is the support, but it has break yesterday. I think over here there's one. There's a new support over here. We still have about 20 over pips. We have 20 over pips to go. So this support is actually quite strong here. Okay, I will want to sell POWCAD. Then I will only trade when it's break the support level. This is a retracement. Okay, it's a retracement. Okay, so with this kind of retracement trading, if you want to grab, I would say a scalp will be good. Okay, right? So this one, okay, I'm waiting for it to break this part. I'm waiting for it to break the support level. Okay, before I start trading. New resistance below, then I will go for a selling. Okay, then I think we have a very promising pips like about 135. We have 135 of space in general for the next few days. Okay, for the remaining weeks or perhaps next weeks. I don't know, next week. Okay, yeah, okay. So yeah, 放假我会想要做空啊，但是这个做空这是在转换的这个过程里面，它的回调啊，重踩。OK， 现在是在这个回调的过程里面啊。如果在这个过程有进场点给你进场的话呢， OK， 那么呢，我建议说，如果要进场的话，等它回调上去了，再来一次的时候，有机会进场，做一个短暂的盈利就好，5个点、10个点拿5个点，这样就很好了，就拿了就走了。OK， 不过风险较大哈，所以我还是觉得说，在这里的话呢，我会等它先突破这个支撑 ，OK， 这里的支撑，然后呢，在这里呢下面等一个新的压力，因为这个突破以后啊。它在这里的空间有将近130几个点哦，这里到这里啊有130几个点，所以呢，在这一段里面的话呢，我会等它先突破，好不好？放假可以关注哈 ，OK。So we can actually take note about POWCAD, all right? So POWCAD is still promising, but it's just that we need to wait, OK? All right? OK， 好，那再来可以 continue with POWFRANC. How is POWFRANC? OK, POWFRANC. POWFRANC, we are now still running on the bull side after the retracement. Now we are setting up the bull, setting up the support. Okay, now the bull is going to run. It's running. It's already running. So POWFRANC, go for a buy. No selling at all. Okay, no selling. Okay, go for a buy. All right. 棒瑞只能做多不能做空，所以呢不用想太多哈。OK， 所以也不用讲太多。OK。All right. So yeah. Okay. So over here and pound yen. Let's look at pound yen. Pound yen. We are in the bull, running into the transition. Correct. Running a transition. We are still in the transition, and it is still not going anywhere. So we are still waiting for it to sell off the price of 155 with 316. Okay, so this is one of the part. This is one of the price that I wanted to break, and I was focused to sell. Okay, okay. Once again, okay. So this part here, there's a little resistance here. So if we want to trade during this period, okay, this area, we can still sell because it's still in the transition. Although in the transition, it's not a place that we should sell, and this is also not a place that we should sell also. But if you are experienced enough, okay, for those who are actually experienced enough in trading in this area, yeah, the resistance is coming very soon. So take note, okay, probably the next 2 hours or the second half, then you will have a good chance to sell. All right. 好，棒热的话呢，现在还是在转换的过程里啊，在转换的过程这一个部分里面呢，也往下跌的可能性还是有，因为这里有一个支撑边压力的范围啊。那么呢，这个呢有一个70个点的空间，将近70个点的空间。所以这个70个点的空间里面啊，我们要做的话呢，不是不可以，不过要非常小心啊，因为毕竟它还是在转换的过程。OK， 好，那么现在在这一段再看的话呢，我要突破这个支撑位155.316，这里呢，这里的话呢，突破了以后呢，我会比较放心做空所以我还在等待。OK，let your patient pace Alright, so Pound Kiwi, Pound Yen, I'm going to skip today. Okay, so unless it breaks the transition, the support, then I will continue. Alright, Pound Kiwi, yeah, straightforward is buying, no selling. Pound Kiwi is buying, no selling at all. Alright, so no, OK， 棒牛只能做多不能做空 ，OK， 很直接清楚的Right, so Pound Dollar, OK, Pound Dollar. For the past few days, yes, we do trade the anti-trend trading into the retracement, but now no more. It has set up the bull yesterday, and now today we are going for a buy. Okay, so no for Pound Dollar, only buying, no selling. Okay, all right. OK， 好的，那么棒美只能做多不能做空了OK， 棒美Right, so dollar CAD over here. We are looking at this dollar CAD. I'm very happy with dollar CAD because it is still in the bear market, and we are back into the bear, running for a sell. Okay, selling. Okay, selling is still very possible until it breaks the support very soon. The support over here, good. It is breaking the support. So take note, guys. Okay, so we are heading down. Okay, so once there's any retracement for a trigger, okay, then we will take note whereby there's a resistance over. There's a resistance here, okay, and there's also a resistance. The resistance here. Okay, so yeah, around here and also here. Okay, okay. There's a very strong support here. When it hits here, support. Okay, support breaks through and it breaks again, and this part here, it breaks and go back again. Now coming back here, so the resistance is actually ongoing now. Okay, so let's wait for a new resistance before you actually start trading on the strength. New resistance on the strength, then you start trading for the sell. Okay, all right. So dollar CAD, okay, dollar CAD is one that we can focus. All right. 美加的话呢，美加现在在这里的美加里面能做空还是在熊市里面做空？这个压力位置，这个附近这里在这一端，所以现在目前如果它有回调，在这个不突破这个压力的情况下的话呢，从这一段开始呢，空间是有点小那么我会喜欢等它突破了这一个之后呢，我才来做单子，或者是这里的话到这个的话呢，有10个点而已，要拿这个5个点也有一点困难的，老实说可能最好是等它突破完了，我们才来做单子 ，OK， 好不好？ OK， 每家可以关注All right. So now let's take a look at dollar franc. Okay, dollar franc. Okay, dollar franc over here. What do we have? Dollar franc, we are in the bear. So tentatively in the bear market, okay, we are now heading down for a selling, but we are very near to the support. Same thing, we are so near to the support. Okay, so in this support over here, I would want to wait for it to break the support. Okay, how many pips? 7 pips to go only. Okay, just wait for it to break the support. new resistance form below, okay, then we start selling. Okay, all right, so now we have a resistance red dot. Okay, that's good. So once it breaks, and if once it breaks, a bit of retracement on the next hour, if any candle touches the support, which become the resistance and become a big selling candle, you check M5 for resistance, then M1 should have a trigger point to enter for selling. Okay. Now after that, I think probably we will take a look where's the stronger support that is made. Okay, we have about 20 pips. I think dollar franc is a bit slow today. Okay, so we have only about 20 pips. Okay, so yeah, we still have chance, but 20 pips only. So just take note, okay. unless it breaks the next support very successfully. Okay, unless if not, then I will say probably a scalp will be good. Okay. 好吧，OK，那美瑞可以啦，美瑞，OK，美瑞可以做空，但是要等它突破，突破完了之后有一个20个点的空间，好，差不多20个点的空间啊。这个20个点的空间的话呢，是有一点少哦，不过可以啦，还是可以啦，OK。那么这个突破了以后，如果有机会进场，它一回调碰到这个支撑变压力的时候，回调下来，然后变成空头强势拉住的时候，查看一下你的 M5，你的 M5应该有一个新的压力位，然后呢，在你 M1 的时候可能会有一个进场点，那个时候进场就 OK。好，到时要进场的时候再查看一下还剩下多少个点哈，OK。好，不要盲目的进场啊。All right, so let's move on to dollar yen. Okay, so dollar yen over here we are now in the and on the top now moving into the transition as well. Let me see, is it a transition over here? One touch, no, we are no, we are not. Okay, let me see. Where's my? Oh my God, I can't find. Where are you? All right, oh, it's here. Okay, so yeah, move it back first. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. Where is it? Okay, so good. Now, past few days we were talking about this. The transition has the dollar yen has actually entered into the bear market, all right, and it actually retraced, and can you see it hits on the support which breaks through, and the buyers who think that the support become a buying or the buying trade, finally they hold it until here, and this is a good sign that showing the buyers volume selling off to become a resistance. And from there, for the past few days, we are actually on the selling side, right? For dollar yen, selling, and finally form a new support. It formed a new support over here. So a new support, and now testing a support, It's still in the bear market, but we are testing on the support. So we still have about 20 pips to go, 20 pips to hit the support level. Okay. So if we have any chance that we to enter a trade for dollar yen, okay, yes, dollar yen, okay. 好，每日做空 ，OK，每日做空在熊市啊。Okay, guys, take note. Dollar yen coming soon. Okay, all right. Okay, dollar yen. All right. So take note about this. Okay. If you have watched my video, okay, the previous video, okay, which actually telling you like on my first 2022 the 5 pips trading, how I actually give a rules. Now this is day one. This is my rules. Okay, it's a bad trend. Now hitting on the support become a resistance that give me a chance to see that the resistance, and now I know I still have a support area over here, the space here. So I know I have about 20 pips to go, correct? So in this 20 pips to go, guys, we have a chance. Okay, we have a chance. So right now, looking at this, okay, and we are still moving quite well. Okay, still moving quite okay. Strength is still building up on. Okay, it's coming soon. So yep. So dollar yen is one that we can take note. Okay, all right. 好的，那么这个每日可以关注了哈，这个每日只有在熊市里面在转换，然后呢，现在在这一段里面呢，开始有了一层的压力啊哈，这个压力开始来了哈，在这里。那么呢，现在呢有这个做空的现象了哈，不错不错不错 ，OK，很有机会。所以在这里这样看的话呢，现在力度也差不多要来了哈。所以现在在这一个里面呢，我们可以关注它，快要做空了哈。OK，不过先看好这个5分钟的力度，还沾一点点。OK，好不好 ？All right. Thank you guys for coming back here. I'm coming to the end of this session, and let me send you what I'm going to focus. All right. I hope by watching this video until this level, until this time now, okay, remember to click on the subscribe button, ring up the bell to get the latest update from me, and give me a thumbs up to give me a push and motivate me. Okay, this is a very great, it's a very great time that I can do all this with you and to share all my planning with you as well. Okay, thank you so much, guys. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. I wish all of you with good profits, okay, good profits, and also plenty of TP. Okay, see you again. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. See you.